Okay, this is how to install VS Code on Windows 11 PC. First is open the Microsoft Store. It's pinned here by default. Okay, if you don't have yours here, click on this Start button, click inside here, and search for Microsoft Store. All right, as it shows up in the search results, this is it. So select the best match. It opens on this page. So click inside the search bar and then type VS Code or Visual Studio Code. Anyone can save, all right? You can see it's being suggested. So you can click on it for it to search. All right, you can see Visual Studio Code. It said it's free. So hover your cursor over it for this install button to show up, okay? Or if it's not showing up, you can click on it to open a new page. Then on this new page, you have the install button clearly, okay? So click on this install button. So you need to wait for the installation to complete. Okay, here we are done with the installation. So the next step is to open the application. So click here and search inside, click on this search and search for VS Code, all right? So it will show up here, you can see. Okay, you can see here is saved here, is available on this laptop right now. So I'll click on it for it to open. Okay, so once it opens, you have an interface that looks like this. You can decide to maximize it, all right, to have a fuller screen, all right. And here we go. You can click. I think it's trying to tell us how to get started with VS Code. But no problem. We can scroll down here and click on Markdown, all right, and you are good. You have a new interface to start with. Okay, so this is how you work with this. So from here, you can create a folder in your PC and you start everything you want to do in it. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel by hitting the subscribe button. Hit the like button so that YouTube will push this video to more people. And leave a comment in the comment section. If you have question, please do ask me. Thank you and see you some other time.